viewers and subscribers. Coming up tonight in Sunday Night Live, World Dog gets shot.
Okay, tell me what happened.
Shooting, I don't know. Come here, now.
Sir, stop screaming. I already have the call entered. Were you shot?
Yeah, Adam, my friend died.
Was it a hit, or did his friend set him up? Let's discuss later. Next, Roger Wilde has social media buzzing with his devil picture. Is it art, or have we gone too far? Vybz Kartel purchased his mansion valued over $100 million. And people may hear him live side of some top of the top. But we're going to talk about that later. Plus, our special guest, she named the Socks Lady. She's going to be talking to us about her business in the socks business. So come join us at Incognito Vacation Stay, 8 p.m. tonight. People, remember tomorrow holiday. So come chill with me, come have a drink and listen to some music and just chat. Alright, but if you can't join us at Incognito, you can join us online at Xpressionzja's YouTube channel. Remember, it starts 8 p.m. So hurry up and cook the Sunday dinner and mark it down right there, so 8 o'clock. Sooner or later, me I wait for you. Me go done cook my Sunday dinner.